Lean on me. We are not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on. For it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Swallow your pride. If I have pain, you need to borrow, for no one can feel guns of your needs that you won't lean. Lean on me. We are not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Just call on me, brother, when you need a hand. We all need somebody to lean on. I just might have a problem that you'd understand. We all need somebody to lean on. Lean on me. We are not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. There is a load you have to bear that you can't carry. Ride up the road, I'll share the load if you just call me. Lean on me. We are not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for city it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Just call on me, brother, when you need a hand. We all need We gonna rule the world, don't you know, don't you know? We are gonna rule the world, don't you know, don't you know? We're gonna put it together.
Won't you put it together?
We're gonna put it together.
Won't you put it together?
We gonna rule the world, don't you know, don't you know? We gonna rule the world, don't you know, don't you know? We're gonna put it together.
Won't you put it together?
We're gonna put it together.
Won't you put it together?
About your bad, but you blow my mind. Sometimes the things you do are way out of line. You like to put me down, but not to my face. So I think it's about time that I put you in your place. You see, I'm so slick, I got so much style. I can out-rap you by a country mile. So just sit down, son, and watch my smoke. Check out my style and take some notes.
But I could take them if I had to, at least I could read. And when it comes to rapping, you can't compare. I can outrank you anytime, anywhere.
Well, come on, man, you know you can't compete. You're not fast enough, you gotta think on your feet. The style I've got you don't have half. I make it sound so bad it makes your mama laugh.
Well, alright, Jack, you think you're so bad and always running it down about the things you have. You got more style, superior taste. You got bad rep, get out my face.
My breath ain't strong, but your face is all wrong. Your head's too big, you got a nose like a pig. You got a lot of nerve to talk about me. At least my family don't live in a tree.
You live in trees, you eat coconuts, and your whole family got buffalo butts. When you sit down, you need 2 seats.
Oh yeah?
Extra strong to hold all that meat.
Now that's not bad, sonny, but don't press your luck. Cause you and yours got butts like ducks. You got faces to match, with little beady eyes. And if I look like you, I'd run and hide.
I know you think you're handsome, but I don't know why. Cause the way you look, you make babies cry.
I make babies cry, but when you make the scene, they pass out and the girls all scream.
The girls all scream, but not from fright. With me they scream from sheer delight. You can't out-rap me, not at all. You need some help, I think you better call
your mama. That's right, I said your mama. M-O-M-A, mama. Your mama. What's up with you? Your mama. Hey man, now don't get me wrong, alright?
What's up now?
I mean, we're friends and all that. But has anyone ever told you fact, you look just like Big Bird from Sesame Street. You know that bird?
Has anyone ever told you that your mama looks like a big bird from Sesame Street?
Yeah? Well, your mama's a Smurf.
Your papa's a Smurf.
Your sister's a Smurf.
I said your daddy.
Your Uncle Louie's a Smurf.
Listen, Seth.
Yeah.
Why are we snapping on each other? Check out all these people here listening.
party down. Feel your bottom, show is nice. Reminds me of sheer paradise. The way you shake over here, you shake over there. Everywhere I look, I see it everywhere.
That
bottom, get out on the floor. Bottom up, that bottom, go for what you know. Bottom up, tear the house down. Bottom up, that bottom, time to party down. Move it, move it, do it, do it. Move it, move it, do it. Move it, move it, do it, do it. Move it, move it, do it. Feel your body, look so fine, look so fine. Can't hardly dance, just look at those thighs. The way you shake over here, shake over there, everywhere I look, I see it everywhere.
That
Bottoms up,
that bottom, get out on the floor.
bottom up, that bottom, go for what you know.
Bottom up,
That bottom, tear the house down.
bottom up.
That bottom, time to party down.
There's a party over here, there's a party over there. Before you know it, there's a party everywhere. Jam, jam, jamming on the left. Jam, jam, jamming on the right, yeah. But anyway you move, when you move that bottom, you know it's got to be alright. So move that bottom. Shoo-be-doo-wop, that bottom. Move that bottom. Shoo-be-doo-wop, that bottom. Move that bottom. Shoo-be-doo-wop, that bottom. Move that bottom. Shoo-be-doo-wop, that bottom.
Girl, your bottom shoe is nice. Remind me of sheer paradise. The way you shake over here, you shake over there. Everywhere.
Makes me feel so real. Ooh, what am I supposed to do?
When I first laid my eyes on you, lady, I told you all the things you do to drive me crazy. Said, hey girl, you know I love your style. My knees get weak every time you smile. There's nothing in the world that I wouldn't do for you, 'cause I was in love the first time I saw you, and you broke my heart. Now you wanna know why you done me wrong, you never treated me right. You even said that you would never become my wife. You embarrassed me in front of all my friends, and talking about a love affair had finally met its sin. Till your friend told you that she saw your ex-man dressed just like Pierre Cardin, and now you wanna start a brand new romance. But it's too late, baby, you've had your chance. You stole my heart just like a thief in the night. I was living in the dark and you brought me light. You made me feel like I never felt before. And what man in the world could ask for more? Well, my heart was locked and you had the key. When you figured that out, you took advantage of me. Now if you think I'm coming back, I'm sorry, you're wrong. So go ahead, girl, keep singing that song. Now that I meet famous people wherever I be, like Eddie Murphy and Mr. T, Michael Jackson, Diana Ross, the tables turn. Now I'm the boss. And do you remember that day in September when I told you a lie without an alibi? Said I was out with my main man Antoine, chasing women and getting too high. See, I moved my feet to the beat, and I turned into a freak. Making love is all I thought of, 24 hours, 7 days a week, until I found myself a new girl, someone new to share my world. And if you really wanna know, that's why, baby, all I'm well. I told you how I love you, girl, and how you please me. Remember when I asked you not to tease me? Thinking last week I felt so sweet. We both went to bed and you went to sleep. When you had me to yourself, you should have done me right. Make sweet love to me every night. Rub my back and then my head. Give me a bath and send me to bed. But instead I move my feet to the beat and I turn into a freak. Making love is all I thought of. 24 hours, 7 days a week, till I found myself a new girl, someone new to share my world. And if you really wanna know, that's why, baby, don't lie. And I turn into a freak. And making love is all I thought of. 24 hours, 7 days a week, till I found myself a new girl, someone new to share my world. And if you really wanna know, that's why, baby, well, she looks so good and dressed so fresh, and she acts just like a superstar. And I can tell by the way that she walk and talk, me and her, we're gonna go far. She makes me breakfast in the morning, dinner's ready when I'm home from work. After that, she makes sweet love to me, and now that's what I call dessert. And she makes me feel like I'm 10 feet tall, keeps my back up off the wall. She makes me feel like I'm a king, cause she comes every time I call. Make me wanna scream and shout, hey, well, take a look at MC Gal. Let me tell you, I'm in charge, I'm the chief. You're looking kinda thick, girl, with